So I've had a lot of questions about how I burnish the edge of my DIY wood countertop, so I thought I'd do a quick run through. This is just a $20 laminated pine board, but it's only 3/4 of an inch thick. I wanted that chunky countertop look, so I ripped an 1.5 inch strip off the front at a 45-degree angle and then glued those angles together to create a thick butcher block look. Now here's the trick. While the glue's still wet, take something smooth and rounded like a screwdriver shaft and run it along the seam with firm pressure. This compresses the wood fibers and blends the joint so it looks like one solid piece. The pressure will also slightly round over the edges, so it's worth practicing on a scrap piece first to get a feel for it. The more pressure you apply, the more rounded the edge will be. I like to work in small sections, clamping and burnishing as I go, especially if it's a long run like this countertop. You'll notice a little glue squeezing out, and that's good. Just wipe it away as you go so it doesn't dry on the surface. If I'm staining, I'll take extra time to get this perfect, like I did on my mantle here. If I'm painting, I don't stress about tiny imperfections since I can always fill them later. Once I've burnished a section, I give the area a light sand to smooth any rough fibers, and the result is a thick, professional looking edge for a fraction of the cost. If you'd like to see a full tutorial on exactly how I built this countertop and the paint wash stain I used, let me know in the comments below. Thanks so much for watching.